Hello guys, it's me, the Inside Man from TechRam, and today I'll be taking apart the Samsung Galaxy A12. This phone is, how will I put it, the confused phone of 2021. The back of this phone is pretty good. It's rough, which makes it easy to hold, and it comes with a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack, and a speaker at the bottom. Another interesting thing about this device is that it has a side-mounted fingerprint that bumps out, which makes it very easy to access and it responds very well. But why did I say this phone is the confused phone of 2021? I'll fill you in on the details as we remove this back cover and start to take out the piece and component of this phone one after the other. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Now, when you take out the back of this phone, the first thing that you will notice is you will be greeted with the side-mounted fingerprint at the top that is neatly tucked into the plastic cover. Then you see the battery, you see the camera module, and you see a bunch of just typical inside of the device and everything. But the weird thing about this device is that as beautiful as this device, as cool as the back cover, Samsung did something wrong, and I think they might actually get away with it. Don't worry, I'll let you know what that is. This fingerprint right here performs really well. You can see it bumps out, which is better than what we've seen in the Infinix Note 8 and the Tecno 16. I'll link to these videos in the description below. You can watch the teardown videos. Now, what I mean by the most confused phone of 2021 is that this device have a mixture of old and new. I mean, how could Samsung actually bring a mixture of old and new? What is old? What is new? I'll fill you in on the details. The plastic covering of this device have actually nothing attached to it. For example, the bottom plastic has no speaker attached to it and no vibrator module. As you can see from the bottom board, you can see that there is just a ribbon cable that connects the bottom board to the top board attached to it, and then the network wire that is connected there. So something else you'll see is that the 3.5mm jack and the USB Type-C port, that is just basically the only thing you see at the bottom, then a bunch of other chips, circuits and all that, and that is that. Then the first thing that makes this phone confusing is the speaker. The main speaker is very small. I mean, this is 2021. We should be getting phones that gives us good sound quality without a headphone, but that is not the case. This ribbon cable here is the ribbon cable that connects the screen, the display, to the main board. So we just have to remove that nicely, and throughout the teardown of this video, we'll be very careful not to tamper with it so that it won't destroy our display later on to the device. This battery is 5000 mAh battery. It's massive and it's good. It makes the device last longer and you enjoy it. That is one good thing about this device. Then something else about the device is that the main board comes with a 48 megapixel quad rear camera. I'll fill you in the details of the cameras after removing this screw here, then removing the network cable right there and peeling out the main board. Now, picking out the main board, what you see is you'll be greeted with the 48 megapixel quad rear camera. Now, this 40 megapixel quad rear camera, its main camera has no IS and no electrical digital image stabilization. Then you have the 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 2 megapixel macro. Then at the front is an 8 megapixel selfie camera that does this job pretty well. Now, to the chipset. The chipset used in this device is the MediaTek Helio P35. Seriously, MediaTek Helio P35 is more than 2 years old. The last time the Tecno used that chipset in a device, I think is 2018 or 2019. Now, the only thing coming with this chipset is some graphite tape, black graphite tape, that and there is no proper copper tape and no paste. Now, this is the most confusing part. Samsung is bringing a modern phone with modern software and good camera, but then packing it with a small speaker and old chipset. Well, let's talk about this vibrator module here and the speaker at the top before I fill you in on what that actually means when it comes to confusing. The top speaker is also small, and for some reasons Samsung always places the vibrator module not at the bottom but at the top of the device. Now, to save themselves, to cut themselves some slack, Samsung decided to put a copper in the top plastic. As you can see right now, this copper right here helps to dissipate heat or cool the heat when the chipset is working. But that is still no excuse for what Samsung has actually done. I mean, is it really fair that Samsung can actually get away with about anything? Samsung is like the iPhone of Android. They just come up with any excuse, do what they like, and it seems that the brand covers them. Now, for example, when I say mixture of confusion, that this one is the most confused phone, is that this one runs Android 10. It runs one of the latest One UI software. It has 48 megapixel camera. It has a good battery, but it comes with an old chipset and small speakers. Now, what does this translate to is that the user experience and the software experience of the phone will be nice, but when it comes to multitasking, gaming, and enjoying good sound qualities, you won't be getting those. I mean, for what reason? Imagine playing game with these devices and it gets hanging in between the ways and trying to open apps and it gets all that. Well, let me just put this phone back together and turn it on. You can tell me what you think about this device. Is it fair that Samsung is getting away with this? What do you think? Could they have used better chipset? Obviously, they should have used a better chipset. And for the price range of this device, I would not recommend you get this one. You can either get the Redmi 9 or the Infinix Hot 10. It's me, the Inside Man, and thank you for watching my video. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and turn on post notifications. Remember, here at TechCran, we talk less about outward beauty and focus on what is inside. The Samsung Galaxy A12 is still the most confused phone of 2021 thus far. Alright guys, follow me on Twitter and Instagram at TechCran. I'll see you guys around. For now, peace.